Stop using table salt. Use these 5 healthier salts instead. Is the salt you're using silently harming your health? Today, I'm going to show you the real difference between the salts you're probably overlooking and why that little white shaker on your table might be one of the worst choices you're making every day. Stick around until the end, because I'll reveal the salt that top health experts recommend for better hydration, essential minerals, and incredible flavor. Let's start with the common culprit, regular table salt. It's ultra-processed, stripped of minerals, bleached, and loaded with anti-caking agents that your body doesn't need. Those salts normally contain 99.9% sodium chloride plus additives. Sure, it has synthetic iodine, but you can easily get natural iodine from whole foods like seafood or seaweed. And here's the real problem. It's missing all the trace minerals your body craves to stay balanced and hydrated. Let's level up your salt game. Here are 5 salts that fuel your body instead of depleting it. Redmond Real Salt. Mined from ancient seabeds in Utah, this salt contains over 60 trace minerals. It's unrefined, pure, and has a clean, delicious taste. Himalayan Pink Salt. Its pink hue comes from iron oxide, and it's rich in minerals like magnesium and potassium, key players for hydration and mineral balance. Celtic Sea Salt. Hand-harvested off the coast of France, this salt is moist, rich in magnesium, and perfect for broths, soups, and stews. Baja Gold. A powerhouse salt harvested from the Sea of Cortez, loaded with over 90 trace minerals. Malden Sea Salt. Light, flaky, and crisp. Malden is my go-to finishing salt that takes any dish to gourmet status. So, what's my personal routine? Well, I actually use a combo. Redmond Real Salt for everyday cooking, Malden Flakes to finish my meals, and Baja Gold in my morning water for mineral-rich hydration. This keeps my minerals balanced and my food tasting incredible. Ultimately, it's up to you. Many of these salts come in different textures, like fine, coarse, or extra fine grinds. And some mineral-rich sea salts even come infused with natural flavors. Your choice depends on your health goals, flavor preferences, and of course, your budget. Each salt brings its own unique benefits, and yes, some are pricier than others. Choose the one that best fits your needs and your lifestyle. Now you know exactly which salts to use to upgrade your health and flavor game. Before you go, drop a comment below. What kind of salt are you using right now? I'd love to know. Stay salty, the healthy way, and I'll see you in the next video.